Hi, I'm Bailey and I work in cybersecurity at Kendo. Today I'm going to show you 3 ways that you can use WhiteRabbitNeo as your AI model in the Kendo provision of Continue in VSCode and JetBrains. The first way is by using WhiteRabbitNeo as the AI model for the prompt field. To do this, click on the drop-down menu underneath the prompt window and scroll down to select WhiteRabbitNeo. The next way is by using WhiteRabbitNeo as the AI model for the Edit Highlight Code shortcut. So that is done by clicking Command-I on your keyboard, and then from the model drop-down list you can select WhiteRabbitNeo. And if WhiteRabbitNeo does not come up for either of these steps, go to the settings icon to configure Continue, and that will open up the config.json file, and just double check to make sure that WhiteRabbitNeo is included in your list of models. If not, you can get the information to add it from the Kendo product. Lastly, you can also use WhiteRabbitNeo as the tab autocomplete model, and again, if it's not already in there, you can get that information from the Kendo product app. I hope this helped you learn how to use WhiteRabbitNeo in Continue, and thank you for watching.